Okay guys, good morning. Today we are here in Nara, Japan. It's 1:11 and we're here to visit the deer. You see there from my background? That's the deer with the horns. The longer the horns, the older they are. But the horns of this deer are kind of trimmed so that in case they attack people, they will not be able to hurt them all that much. So that's the deer, guys. I'll show you the deer. Up close and personal with the deer. Protection. Protection. Yung bala-balahibo-pan. Then, tingnan nyo yung pigeon dito, ang tataba.
Tutulong na si Boss pero si Chester.
Hello, dear. Hello, dear. Oh, hanggang babaw. Oy, gozaimasu. Oy, gozaimasu. Ohayo. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Marunong mag-post tong isang to. Umuora siya. Hola, senyora. Sila masyadong ipet, lalo na yung mga very young ones kasi may stress sila. Daddy, kasi mai-stress sila. Daddy, ito yung best lighting. Look, tingnan mo naman.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Look at that. Live po tayo sa Nara, mga kabeshi. Ang tinitignan nyo po ay hindi poster. Yan po ay totoong deer. Nandito po tayo sa Nara Park, kung saan free roaming po ang ating mga deer. Arigatou gozaimasu. May pagkain ka daw. Kumain ka daw ng dingdong, kaya naamoy ka niya. Arigatou. Ayan po, ganyan to na po sila kalapit. Ha? Yung sa Ribisco. Ayan po sila.
Yung biscuit mo special eh.
Oo.
Pang beer ka. Very good. Tingnan mo naman. Very good.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Very good.
Nagte-thank you ko sa kanya. Konnichiwa. Hello. Konnichiwa. Ito marunong pumos. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Ganda ng lighting. Ang daming buntis. Napakakain niya ng puti. Talaga. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo. Naka-field trip sila. Napaka-organized. Naka-field trip sila today. So may pasok pa sa Japan. Or perhaps uwian na. Tama, galing sila sa school. Uwian na sila, Anna. Live po tayo sa Nara Deer Park. Hanap pa tayo ng ibang deer, guys. Hanap pa tayo ng ibang deer. Ito, mukhang friendly naman sila lahat. Look at that. May mga deer na may horns. May mga deer na walang horns. Oh, di ba? Fierce. Fierce looking, eh? So, may binili kaming mga snacks kasi we'll stick around a while. May mga poop lang all over, kaya ingat lang sa mga sapatos. Hindi maiiwasan, although may naglilinis dito 24/7. Ayan tong isa, oh. Parang lahat sila buntis o matataba, kakakain ng biscuit. Ayan. So for those who just came in sa live, welcome. This is Edna and I'm here at the Nara Deer Park here in Nara, Japan. Biodegradable.
Kami kanina. Kinain niyo.
Na-videoan mo?
Picture lang.
Kawawa. Mahirap i-ano sa tiyan yun. Hindi naman toxic ang mga plastic dito, biodegradable. Kaya lang, masama pa rin sa intestine yun. Magkakasakit.
Mami, umihi siya dyan.
Umihi siya everywhere. Natuyo lang. Ikaw naman, ngayon ka pa magdidelikado. Umihi daw doon, umilag ako. Umihi siya everywhere. Di mo na matatrack.
We don't have a bowing session.
Ang mahirap pag naubusan ka na ng biskit, ihaharas ka na niya. Sanay na siya sa'yo, may codependency na. Ayan na. Wala ka nang ibibigay sa akin. Paasa ka, kuya. Paasa ka, kuya. May amoy pa yung kamay niya. Amoy plastic. Amoy, biskit. May isa pa si kuya. Gusto lang naman ma-picture ang nag-feed eh. Oh, nakikita naman natin nag-feed. Saan galing yung plastic bag? Saan niya nakuha? Malinis dito.
May lamang kasi biscuit yung plastic bag.
Naamoy niya.
Niya, kinain niya yung plastic bag. Akala niya
You can pet this one kasi adult na to eh.
ito ang bait sila. Nakita yung sungay niya, may parang balahibo pala yun. Napansin niya.
Parang hindi daddy para
Sabi, niya.
kunyari dadapo yung pigeon, mangangate. So, ilang kayang deer ang meron dito sa park? So, my kids will find the biscuit store and they'll just buy a pack. Yeah, that person there. Yeah. Ano to eh, parang Minecraft, ilagan mo yung mga lahat ng tao. Ako din, hindi naman ako craving to feed. Gusto ko lang manood sa kanya. Ito yung maganda. Tingnan nyo naman. Napaka niya. Napaka-tranquil. Bahala kayo dyan, sabi niya. Mag-entertain kayo sa mga bisita. Basta ako, nandito lang ako. So maraming mga pine cones. Maraming pine cones dito. Malamig tong area. Actually, umakyat kami uphill using yung yung train system dito. Malamig guys. Malamig in the sense malamig yung breeze. Siguro mga 20 degrees.
Wala pa pala tayo sa Nara Park. Pero okay na, siguro.
Ayan, so yung mama talagang hinabol na kasi may biscuit pa siya, may amoy pa na biscuit yung hand niya. Pero ubos na talaga guys.
Ayun, dami.
Nandito rin yung pigeons dahil may biscuit. Gusto rin nila yun. Ayan, so kung pupunta po kayo ng Japan at more of the outdoorsy person kayo and you love animals, yeah, try spending a morning here. Habol-habol yung mga deer sa biscuits.
Can you have a good photo? Huh? Are you happy with your deer photo?
Lapitan natin yung isang deer. Let's go guys! It bites.
Huh?
It bites. Kasi it wants to make sure that you grab, that it takes the biscuit. Say kumbawa. Kumbawa. Kumbawa, dear.
They have to text me.
Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo. Hi. Face to face, up close and personal with the deer. So this is older because it has horns. Hello. Pag may horns ba, male? Ganun ba yan? Are you male or female?
He is male
Male.
because he got the
Horns.
yes, the
Hi.
horns.
Yeah.
Female don't have horns.
Oh, alright. Dominant, huh? Horns. Power.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, power. Yeah, like a satellite.
Satellite.
The male have horns. The female are feminine, so they don't have horns. So this is a doe. And that's a deer. A deer. Ang taba rin ng pigeon. Grabe. Kakakain ng biscuits.
I want to show her. I don't know what's going to be my shirt.
Oh, he's definitely not even hungry.
I can give you a nice bow.
He's not even hungry. He ate already. He's tired. He ate too much.
The one with the horns are aggressive. They're the male ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're the one who tend to chase you. These are the spoiled ones. They just, maybe overfed. Maybe
She's
overfed.
already done eating for the day.
Yeah.
One of them already ate my shirt. It's a source tendency.
Eh, wala kang cookie. Na-reject siya.
Umalis.
Na-reject. Wala, sabi niya, wala kang pakinabang sa akin.
Brandon, Sama, you got friends.
Parang cat cafe lang, kaya lang deer. Mas gusto ko to, libre kasi. Harang yung cat cafe na yun. Ayan yung pigeon, guys. Ganyan sila kapaplump. Jubis na jubis sila, guys. Kakakain ng cookie crumbs. Kasi ang kinakain ng mga deer dito ay biscuits or cookies. Kaya, ayan, yung mga crumbs, ayan yung pigeons. Sila naman ang nagbe-benefit. Tignan nyo naman, guys, ang ganda-ganda nung kanyang feathers. And yan, peck lang siya ng peck. Ayan. Well, mowed yung lawn kasi yung deer, kumakain-kain din yan ng grass. So, the kids like feeding the deer. But they're too full now. There you go. Okay. So it's a peaceful sunny afternoon here sa Nara, Japan. And we are here to meet and greet with the deer. Ayan, guys. So yung may horns, yun ang male. Yung walang horns, yun ang female. And ayan. Manggap. Sabi na, hindi ka pa bumibili ng biskwit? Anong ko sa'yo? Sabi na, paano kita makakrush? Kumakain ka ba ng nuts? May dala kaming nuts. Joke. Bawal sa'yo nuts. Ayan guys, at least dito free guys. At saka yun nga, bili ka lang ng biskwit pa konsuelo sa deer. There you go. Alright. Ito pa isa. Here dear, pag inanon mo yung kamay mo, lumalapit sila. Conditioned na sila see? Conditioned na sila. They think you have food if you do like this. Ayan po, dikit na dikit po sila. Hindi sila kumakahuli.
Makikita siya.
Oo, lapay na ba? Ito, lalaki to, may horn. Alright, we're surrounded now. Hi, everybody. So sa US, 'di ba, careful deer crossing 'yan sa mga sa mga ibang roads. Yan. So ito, this is a female deer, no horn. The other one has horns there. That's a male deer. This is a doe. A doe is a female deer. That's a male one because it has Ha? Kasalanan ni Lot yan. Kay Lot yung may mga batik. Ayan o, ayan sila. They don't make any sound. Hindi ko alam kung talagang ganon, kahit sa wildlife. They don't make any sound. Okay, I'll have my husband take my picture with the deer now.
I got that.
Ganyan sila magkamot, guys. Sinanda na siya.
Right behind you. Later though. But I know he does got
Hello there. Hello there. Hello there, dear. This is a doe, a deer, a female deer.
I'll pet you. I can give you love and affection, but I ain't got to.
Until yung height nila hanggang dito sa aking stomach. That's how tall they are approximately.
I'm gonna make you.
And their business is biscuits. So if you have biscuits, they come toward you. Medyo yung face nila parang mukhang horse kasi mahaba yung kanilang yung parang bridge papunta sa ilong nila. Daddy, dinilaan ako nun. Dinilaan ako nito. Kinakantsawan ako. Papapicture ako ganon. Hindi naaamoy nila, Daddy. Na-discover na niyang pagkain yun, Daddy. Naharas ka na, Daddy. Sabi niya, bikini men. Di, amoy ulam na yung asawa ko. Walang biscuit yan.
뭐가 무서워? 엄마 빨리 먹고 싶어. 야, 두 마리 다 있어. 오.
Koreana.
서봐. 이쪽에 앉아요. 앉아서 찍어봐.
Nandidila sila pag naamoy nila yung ano yung pinamili namin. Nakaamoy itong isa na to.
하지 않아요.
Bawal naman mapakain niya ng nuts. Biscuit lang. Hi, welcome to my live. This is Edna and welcome to the Nara Park. We're spending an afternoon with the deer. Ako din ganun dati picture, video tsaka picture.
뿔만 만져봐, 뿔만. 오케이. 여기는 감각이 좀 필요한가?
Adult na to kaya sanay na siya.
야,
Sanay na siya na pinipet siya, na?
저기 그늘이라 해서.
Ayan. So parang ano dito, find your pet. Kanya-kanya silang anggulo. Ayan, lalapitan ka. Friendly naman sila. So, sila yung pinaka main attraction dito sa Nara. Pagdating mo pa lang sa station, makikita mo na yung mga deer na characters. Parang animated siya. Then makakakita ka na ng souvenir shops kung saan nandoon yung mga iba-ibang postcard ng deer, stuffed toy ng deer, at saka mga items. Okay, just one picture. Okay, let's be friends. Hi. Picture. Ayoko tawakan, tatakot ako. Ganyan, naka-close guys. Pag may horn, this is a male deer because it has horns. That one is female because it doesn't have horns. Thank you. Inamoy-amoy yung grocery bag natin. Sabi bikini man. Pero overfed na sila guys. Tingnan niyo lang yung soles ng shoes niyo ha, kung may ano. So, thank you for joining us this afternoon. We'll sign out for a while. Yan pala yung puwet ng deer. Ayan, we'll sign out for a while. And we'll be back live for the next attraction. So, say bye-bye to the deers. Bye, deer! Have fun!